friends! I found this poor rusty putty knife hiding in a pile of dry leaves, clearly abandoned by someone who gave up on do-it-yourself. But not me. I believe in second chances, even for tools. So I gave it a little spa day. For your viewing pleasure, I'm using the big white wash tub, but a smaller one or a glass works just fine. In goes about 2 tablespoons of citric acid, a solid splash of boiling water, and, just for the drama, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Do we need it? Not really, but it fizzles, bubbles, and looks like science. After a good soak for 20 minutes, I repeated the process a couple more times. Scrubbed a bit there, brushed a bit here. Then, classic me, I got distracted. Life happens. Anyway, I left it in the citric acid bath overnight. Next morning, voila, rust gone. But corrosion marks? Oh yes, they were holding on for dear life. I took out the trusty sanding paper and gave the blade a tiny polish. And this is what it looks like now. Pro tip, you can totally skip the mid-process brushing and solution swapping. Just dunk the tool in citric acid and leave it overnight like I did. Lazy and effective. If you want to see whether I managed to fully bring this putty knife back to its shiny glory, hit that like button and maybe even subscribe if you're into watching random tools get rescued by slightly obsessed do-it-yourselfer. Thanks for watching and see you next Fix It mission.